Hello everyone, my name is John. I'm Product and Solution Lead from Evelyn. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about Oneweb IAM and how admin can use an IAM to create users on Oneweb platform. So let's talk about Oneweb IAM. IAM stands for Identity Access Management. Oneweb IAM manages authorization and authentication. So in simple terms, authentication is the process of verifying who a user is, while authorization is the process of verifying what they have access to. Oneweb IAM is an out-of-box feature of Oneweb platform. Using IAM, your platform control admin can create users on the platform and can set authorization and authentications for them. Admins can manage user ID and password as field encryption in database or from LTAB. They can control authorizations for multiple applications using role and permissions concept. They can control object accesses including menus, screen, reports, buttons, etc. So if you are using Oneweb on cloud and have control admin privileges, you can simply access the IAM using URL. Let's see how to create user on Oneweb platform using an IAM. To create a user on Oneweb platform, the admin user can log into IAM. Now, if you are logged in as an admin user, you will be displayed an admin menu. You can click on the Create New User button. Fill up the information here, such as username, first name, last name, position, department, and email. As you can see here, username and email is mandatory in this form. Now I'm filling up the position, department name. You have to mention the email ID, phone number, and mobile. Phone number and mobile fields are optional. By default, the status is enabled as yes, so later, once the user login, if they enter the wrong password for 3 consecutive times, their account will be locked, and status here will be automatically turned into disabled. Change password by default is set as yes. If it's yes, this user once login will be automatically directed to the Create New Password screen, where they can set their own passwords. For this tutorial, I would set it as no, so user can directly log in with the credentials provided to them by an admin. To set and save password, here you have 2 options. Either you can choose an option to save password in the local repository or LDAP repository. Since we already have our LDAP integrated, I would choose LDAP here to save passwords in a LDAP repository. Set the password here for this user. Also, you can select the profile picture for this user by browsing it from your hard drive. And you can finally save. Now this user is successfully created on Oneweb platform. Now admin can give an app space access to this user. To provide an app space access, admin can go to the roles, and search for an app space. Now you can give either admin, developer, or tester role permissions for this user. In this case, I will choose admin. Now you can click on the Add User button on the right. This will open the user list. Select user and click on Confirm User to Roles button. Now this user is ready to access Oneweb app space. Now you can log out from the admin console. Now this user is ready to log in into app space. Once logged in, this user can use all the capabilities of Oneweb platform and can build either web or mobile applications. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you would like to know more about Oneweb, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a good day, everyone.